Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is your weekly rainbow seed maintenance light body calibration. Let's see what is the goal and focus of your light body for this week. Toroidal tree. Explore pathways of light, branches to roots, ideas made manifest. Toroidal tree. If you work with the tree of life or the Kabbalistic tree, I'm getting a sense of tapping into higher dimensional aspects in this alignment. I'm getting a sense that there are ideas that your light body is calibrating to right now, and they are in these stages of manifesting in your life. But tapping into this toroidal tree, tapping into, I'm seeing there's a need to tap into your spiritual team. There's a need to tap into your higher selves and your guides, because they are going to illuminate pathways for you to not just manifest this in your life, these ideas, these goals, but to align to these goals. Your light body is calibrating with the roots. These ideas are very grounded and real, and they are in a reality. You are beginning to manifest that reality towards you. Whew. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically with this toroidal tree? With this toroidal tree, you are energetically upgrading. Oh, elders. I knew this was such a tap into your spiritual team. Spiritual mentoring, counsels, wisdom, stability. Your elders are coming in really strong. Now, whether that be your ancestors or other guides, it's time to touch base with them. They are needing you to communicate and align with them so they can assist in helping your light body align to these ideas that are already grounded. Your elders. This is really exciting. Very exciting news. Elders don't typically, they're not the beings that come in day to day. They're really beings that come in during prominent change. So there is something, whatever you are calibrating towards is a timeline, a lifestyle, an alignment that your elders have been working towards with you, as well as something that's not to be taken lightly. Let's see which chakra needs maintenance. Which chakra is needing maintenance? And while you are communing with your elders, this can also be a chakra to ask your elders for assistance. Your heart chakra. This is one of the most complicated chakras. The heart chakra is in between your lower and upper chakras. It also has the ability to tap into the astral realm, and it has the ability to receive and release and balance. So it's I like to say, one of the most complicated and needed chakras. And at this moment, allowing your elders to align your heart chakra with the ideas that you are bringing forth, that you are manifesting, is going to assist in continuing the growth of grounding those goals, as well as aligning your light and your heart and all the things you are needing to balance your upper and lower chakras, so you are in the present moment, you're not stuck in the past or the future, and receive what you need to receive and release what you need to release. Wow, this is big. This is big stuff. Who is supporting your manifestations this week? So we know elders are supporting you. Maybe we can see if there is a specific elder member that is supporting you, or when you see or hear this type of being, know that it's time to speak with your elders. Earth Angel. So there's actually, when I see Earth Angel, there is a human, there is a person, there is a person that is assisting you and supporting you through this heart chakra shift. This human is actually an angelic being. They show kindness, so they may not be nice in the societal sense, but they do have divine abilities and they have a higher perspective to assist you with this calibration. So know, maybe if there is a new person that enters your life, they are going to be assisting you with this heart chakra alignment, and they very well could be in commune with your elders. So that is so fascinating. If you notice any odd synchronicities occurring, or some miracle or divine person just lands in your life unexpectedly, know that they are meant to support you for your light body. Always be discerning and never place your healing upon others, but this person is very good with sensitive subjects that you may not bring up to everyone, and that is actually one of their strengths, and they are able to see from a higher perspective for this situation. So wow, this is so fascinating. For alignment, what needs self-care? For this alignment, this heart chakra alignment, what is needing self-care? Home. Oh my goodness, and your heart is your home. So this is not only saying that your physical home needs self-care, but essentially it is saying the home in your heart. Are you safe in your heart? And this is actually a really great question. You should always go to your elders with a focal point, just so you're not pulled in. Elders, they have, I don't want to say they don't have enough time for you. That's inaccurate. But you don't want to waste their time, and having a direct question without requiring the elders to dig in you for something is always helpful while engaging with elders. And this earth angel, this angel seed, this human is actually going to assist in showing you your true North Star. They're going to assist in showing you where home is, and it may have been a little lost. Your heart could have been lost, and now I'm understanding better about this toroidal tree. I'm thinking of the torus of energy going in and out, and your heart, your physical heart, has a toroidal field, and your brain has a toroidal field, but we're mainly focusing on your heart. I feel as though your third eye chakras is where you're manifesting, you're visioning this goal coming to life. Now it's time to feel this goal coming to life and to feel it as if it's home. This is magnificent. Oh my goodness. Have a beautiful time connecting with your elders and aligning your heart chakra. And be discerning, but also open enough to recognize who your angel seed, your earth angel is in your life, that is willingly supporting you on this venture. I will have the calibration keys for my members, my Rainbowseed Sanctum Patreon members at Galactic Wisdom. And that is your reading. Thank you for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, rainbow, angelic, starseed, or earthseed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds and be the light.